Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cast from laptop to smart TV wirelessly. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, preparation. Go ahead and turn on your smart TV and ensure it is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your laptop. Okay? And after that, go ahead and activate the TV's settings for screen mirroring or wireless display. Okay? So once that's done, all you gotta do in your laptop or your computer, if it supports Miracast, is just go ahead and press the Windows logo on your keyboard and K, as in Katana, Windows plus K. Just click on it and you will be able to see your TV right here. As you can see, I don't have it because I'm using a desktop, okay? And it doesn't support Miracast or casting. So your laptop should be able to see your TV right here. Just go ahead and select your TV, follow simple prompts, hit on allow and OK, and you should be good to go. Now, another method is by using Chromecast, okay? Which is by using Google Chrome. If you don't have Miracast for your laptop, just go ahead and open up Chrome. You have it. I think I have it right here on my other computer, okay? Now let's just go ahead and try YouTube right here. And sometimes you'll be able to see a cast button in here. If not, just click on the three dots and then go ahead over to the very bottom and select cast, save and share. And then go ahead and select cast. Okay. And it says here looking for devices. Just wait for your TV to pop up in here, select it. And after that, you should be good to go as well. That's basically it. That's how easy it is to cast from laptop to smart TV wirelessly. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.